Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back at you today with another video. This is Tyron'e Southern's Kitchen. Put a thumbs up, ring the bell, and subscribe. Hit the bell and subscribe for you to be notified. Today we're cooking some fried chicken, mustard fried chicken. We're gonna do some mustard fried chicken wings here that we have here, and we're gonna use some lemon pepper. We're gonna use some French's yellow mustard. I love this chicken bouillon. We also got our yard bird chicken season again, and we're gonna also add a little salt as well. We already had the chicken wings sitting. We're gonna wash them off good. And we had them marinate a little bit in some vinegar and water with some salt in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and pour our chicken wings into our bowl. Pour off our excess water that's also in the bowl. Let's do this out right here first. And get me a spoon. Yeah, I need a spoon. Get me a teaspoon. This is what we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go ahead and put this season on here. Go ahead and coat it down with some lemon pepper right quick. Don't be scared to put no season on it. As long as it ain't salt, you can put as much of season on it as you want. So I'm really not getting out no measurements on this chicken right here. I'm just seasoning it to what what looked good to me. So you have to do the same on your chicken. But I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this chicken bouillon in here. Put a tablespoon of that stuff there in there. Then I'm gonna come and put me a little salt as well. Then we're gonna come and put some mustard in here. Get mustard on because we want to coat the chicken real good. All these flavors. Put this on out the way so I can get my hands down into this here. Wash my hands off for good since I just got them touching the season. And then we're gonna dive in this chicken. We're gonna dive in this chicken and season it down with our hands, what God gave us. And then get it coated real good like that there. All coated real good. Just like that there. Just like that there. Yep. Just like that there. Got it coated pretty good. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix up our flour batter. We're gonna mix that up as well. We're gonna put a little seasoning in that too, but not so much. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and stick this in the refrigerator. And then we're gonna get our bowl. We got our bowl, we got some sunriser flour, and we got some cornstarch. That's what we're gonna put in our mix, dry mix. I'm gonna put a little sunriser flour in here. Would that be enough? I don't know, that might not be enough. Then we're gonna come and put some cornstarch. I'm gonna say I might just do about 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Just like that. Then we're gonna mix that up real well. But hold on, let me put some more seasoning in this here. I'm gonna put some chicken season yard bird and sprinkle a little bit in there. And I'm gonna put a little lemon pepper also. in here. Then with that, we're gonna stir up our mixture. Put everything to get coated. And we're gonna add just a little dab of salt. Just a little dab of salt. Then we're gonna come and do another stir. Just like that there. Now we got our dry mix. Ready to go. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope everybody's having a good day today. Me as well. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go and get our grease hot. Y'all stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're back. We will go ahead and coat our chicken in this mixtures that we got here. We got self-rising and corn starch mixed up in our mix. Then we're gonna set it on a pan. After we do that, we're gonna get it coated real good though. Get all up under the flour all up under the skin and everything. Getting real good. Yep. Just like that there. I love the chicken tips too. Yeah, I love the chicken tips. Get that coated real good, just like that there. And the chicken on in there. Our grease should be about hot by now. We're going to have to take you outside in a minute. We don't do no frying, no food. I don't like frying food in the house, really. Not unless I have to. Now, liver and stuff like that, that is a little different. But I'd rather fry my food outside in my deep fryer, which I'll show you in a minute. Getting these chicken tips in, coated him good too, as well. Now we're letting our chicken rest. Then we're gonna come back and put our chicken on another pan after it gets done. Okay, I had one more tip in the hide. Trying to hide from me. Now we go ahead and wash our hands off. Real good. All that flour and stuff off in the hand. Getting a little dish, a little soap now. That coat off real good. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to go outside. Ready to deep fry yet. That's where we're heading now. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. And we out here where our deep fry is. And now what we finna start doing, we finna start dropping some chicken. Dropping some chicken. Dropping some chicken. And it start frying. Go ahead and put probably all these chicken tips in here. Yep. If y'all don't have y'all one of these fryers, then y'all ought to invest in one. They have another type, a little wider than the one I have. When I went to go get this one, this was the only one that was left. So we're gonna let this fry up here in a little bit. And ladies and gentlemen, I got my temperature on at 375. And it's frying up real good. So we'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our first batch is finna come out the fryer now. And yes, they look good. I got this napkin here in this pan for it to catch the grease, soak up the grease. My mom taught me that a long time ago. I should have put 2 napkins down. But the chicken looks fabulous. Yes, sir. That chicken there. Chicken look fabulous. Yes, sir. We frying this, and also we the kind of oil, type of oil we're using. We're using Crisco lard oil that comes in the can. What kind of grease we're using? So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the last batch in, and I'm gonna change pans also, where you can see the chicken better. Drop this in here. Let that start frying up. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back at you. Stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. And this is the results of the chicken. It's nice and crispy. This is what we look like. This is what we look like, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and crispy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bite in us a piece. See, can we hear a crunch? Get us a piece right here. See, can we hear a crunch? You can hear a crunch on that. Boy, look at him. This chicken here better than any chicken I've ever bought. Huh? I'm getting better and better at this time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to my channel. Put a thumbs up, ring the bell. And I hope everybody have a blessed day. Peace.